Look at that waterfall. Oh, your jandal, don't lose it. Wave. Oh no, you're busy holding on for dear life. Oh no. Oh, say. Look at that. What the heck? What is that? Driven into this, off this dirt track to the Ruahine Dress Circle. Our daughter told us about it. Some horses here, but we don't know where they are. We haven't seen them yet. This is gorgeous. Whoa, beach. Last episode had us exploring glowworm caves along some back country roads near Apati in the Manawatu Whanganui region. So today, while we're still in the area, although a little further north toward Mangaweka, we attempted to find a scenic spot that our daughter had been to recently, and we succeeded. Beautiful. Here's the dress circle down in there. Tell from the amphitheatre type scenario. Hey, now we know what the heck it is. Right. Shall we carry on? This Dress Circle Reserve was so named by early settlers to the area, as the cliffs around here reminded them of a dress circle found in an opera house or a theatre setting. Oh man, Robert. Oh. Freezing? Oh, you're in. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Look at that waterfall. Isn't that the coolest? You can do it. Yeah, see?
Let's go in, straight in. It's hot when you're going.
turned left down there, around there, to get to this canyon. Swimming just down in there. The water got warm, it was beautiful. The waterfall's further over there. More people have arrived though. It's a young couple. So we left. You know how it is. What a neat ass place though. It's beautiful. We came from Rangiwahia. We were heading to Mangaweka when we turned off down Kelpie Road to the Ruahine Dress Circle. Found it. Yeah, loved it. The day we came back to this area to see the glowworms at night, we had time to kill, so stopped at a family favourite camping spot at Mangaweka and learnt of more interesting facts from around here. The beautiful rivers and streams of this Kawhatau Valley was where one of the original advertisements for the Toyota Hilux Ute was filmed, featuring Barry Crump and his city mate Scotty.
Let's just hop in and run out for the hut for a brew, eh?
I thought you might ask me that. Be back in a minute.
Oh, spare me days, mate. There's no need for all that. We've got a decent track here now. Gotta wind your weather up here, mate.
The incredible new Toyota Hilux four-wheel drive.
Okay, Scotty, we'll have that brew, eh?
It's so good.
Scotty.
It's frightening.
And also how local Owen Bonner regularly tests the water supply of the rivers and streams to help protect the environment. Clever dickies. Oh, look at this, I can see why they call it the dress circle around this area. It's so like a theatre. Very clever. How clean the water is. We're at Mangaweka. It's called in. Oh, the swing. It was over there where the fisherman is. Oh, you're right. Oh, Asia won't be happy. Something coming down the river. It's not our children on their tyres. But the swing has gone. That's a doggone shame. Now back when we used to camp here, 6 or 7 years ago, there was no new bridge over this Rangitikei River, and we'd watch all forms of watercraft float by. Wave. Oh no, you're busy holding on for dear life. Oh no. Hold on. Luckily the fisherman pulled his line out. Fly fisherman. On the bridge. Easy. This is the other swimming hole. Oh, this fall. pretty sure it is. Wow, cool. And the other one's just over there where Bobby is, the other waterfall. So there you go, you'll be able to find it no trouble, people. Oh, that's neat. I love it. They're going with the current, eh? Oh, your jandal, don't lose it. Paengaroa Scenic Reserve. Traps set for rats, stoats, ferrets and weasels. Please do not touch. Gotcha. Ooh, here we go. Paengaroa has survived by becoming a reserve when the surrounding forests have been cut down for timber or cleared for grazing. This mainland island is now a safe haven for plants and animals and ideal for research. Ooh, that's sweet. Blowing in the wind. Look at that. Here we go. Wow, it's wobbly, but it is lovely. It's gorgeous. I like it a lot. clever are you, people? What did they come out at? Rarest kakapo. This clearing had plant and animal information boards scattered around its perimeter, which had some interesting facts too. Like this tree is New Zealand's third rarest tree, with only 120 mature specimens left in the wild, and that's just a few more than our native parrot, the kakapo. And this peripatus, sometimes called the velvet worm, shoots a sticky glue to trap its victims, injecting a saliva that dissolves their insides, that then gets sucked up by this ancient creature. Over 134 species of moths were recorded here in Paengaroa in just one night. This species of kowhai is poisonous to stock, so the plants thrive. And springtime sees the hills around Taihape turn golden with the flowering kowhai. And in 1991, 8 kilometres of ivy were pulled out here at Paengaroa in just one day, enough to stretch from here to Taihape. Now, because this bushwalk was so short, we ventured further along what we thought may have been another track, but turned out to be the predator control track. Beautiful. That's just gorgeous, isn't it? Look at them all. Heaps more here. Aren't they super? Oh, cicadas. I can't hear my S's. Oh, here. But where? There's one. Found one. Oh yes, and there. Crawling, that one. Are we just going to the rat's weasel stoat thing? Is that why there's a... I was right. What the heck? What is that? What would it have been of it? Do you know? Can you tell? And we just saw more traps, and the bush got more dense, so we turned back over the bridge and to our car. Cutest little church. We're at Mataroa. But we had to get to the Scenic Reserve through there. Just see the sign. I went past it a few times. Beautiful. Right, carry on. I love it. Original settlers of Rangiwahia balloted for their land. They paid their money to a land agent from Whanganui. I think I remember saying that. Who was supposed to pay the government, but he ran away with the cash, did the Pacific Slope, and opened the Pemberton Palace. What? Is that a true story? The tale of Dudley Eyre. I love it. It's nearly as good as the Fielding Star. Hooliganism in Rangiwahia. How gorgeous. Only one. Oh, he's getting the truck out, Robert. Look, another one's come. We have struck this so many times at little towns, and they come from nowhere. All these volunteers just appear. Isn't it just gorgeous? Oh, they were waiting for one more? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at them. Piling in. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, about 4 of them, wasn't it? 4 men. What direction, Bobby? You think they're going to go left? Oh, okay. I'll say they're going to go right. Which direction are these fireys going to go? I won. Thank you. You made my day. I won the bet.